I don't know what's in here.
What's up, guys? Back with another video. Today we're gonna go just go see what we can explore. Guys, we came back to explore the haunted house. Part 2.
Part 2. And we brought this. Use your light.
I'm gonna explore every single little tiny spot. That scared you?
Yeah.
That scared me laughing.
Turn on your light.
I'm scared.
Those. Why you
We're
recording?
upstairs and we hear that.
Yeah, dude, that would be hella scary. So what are you doing?
Okay, come over here.
It stinks.
Come on, we're gonna explore everything.
Smells like poo. Alex, get your light.
I know what this is.
We're gonna die.
I know what this is. Alex, hurry up. God damn, you want him to come.
He's on his Smash channel. Dude, stop.
Get your light.
You guys are making way too much noise.
Dude, chill.
Get off of that then.
Wrap it up.
Calm down.
This is why we didn't bring you, Alex.
Dude, what the heck is that?
What's that? Oh, it's just a rope. Chill.
Alex, be quiet.
Oh yeah, we're gonna wake up the monsters. I forgot.
Yeah, we are.
The ghost.
We gotta go over there first. Dude, look. Shine the light right here.
It's a clown suit. Just kidding. That's like a blanket.
Dude, that is clown suit.
Oh shit.
It's a clown.
Oh
suit.
my god! It's a fucking clown suit.
Dude, I'm scared. Like
Over here,
something
over here,
behind
over
me.
here, over here.
Look, we have to go over there.
Let's
first.
go in the room. We're supposed to go in the room.
I wanna, cause like, what if like a door closes? Double light? Give me one light.
Bro, there's a fucking clown suit in this bitch.
Dude, give me the fucking camera.
I'm the cameraman though.
Yeah, but you don't want to come in with me.
I know. Cause Alex, you know why.
Guys, this is a room. Dude, what the? Dude, what the? Oh, shit. Oh,
Dude, back me off.
dude, no, no, no. Okay, guys, so as I said, we're trying to see what to explore. And we found a homeless campsite again.
Not homeless. There's something over there. I don't know if you guys can hear that. Dude, that's like a moose or something. That's a moose. Dude, it's eating. Dude, shut up. Bruh. Bruh.
Alright, I think it was just a squirrel.
Let's just keep walking straight. Explore.
We're gonna die.
Instead of the four wheelers. Dude, you just step on glass.
I'm scared.
Damn.
Look
What
at
should I
him.
say?
Okay.
Hey, look, a free shoe. Wait, guys. I don't think we should go. Wait, what the fuck?
What?
The fudge? Alex, get back here.
What?
I think I see something.
There's like something black over there. Let's just keep walking forward. Look where Alex is.
Wanna go in there?
Dude, there's something black right there.
Oh shit. I mean, oh shoot.
It's like a mueble.
Can you guys see it?
Okay, look at this piece out. Let's pretend we saw a person.
I guess we're leaving. Well, we think we saw something. We might come back later though.
In the night. Only if you guys gave us likes.
If you share it with your friends, share it with everybody you know.
Guys, Alex wants to come back.
Again.
Should have brought like a gun or something.
What?
I don't know where to go.
Where's the trail?
What's the fuck?
No.
Yeah, it is straight.
Do you guys see a trail?
Alex is making one. Straight.
I don't know what's in here.
Oh shit. What?
Bro, it's hella food in there.
What? No.
Yeah, dude, there's fucking food in there. I'm pretty sure there's like some homeless guy or somebody like trying to survive and you're eating it.
Record.
There's fucking food
Oh,
in
it
there.
smells so nasty.
This looks old. This has been here for a while. Oh god. Okay, close that shit. Oh my god.
Oh my god. What are you doing? No.
Just go. Why did you want to keep going on the trail?
He's a trail maker. Let's go fast on the water.
Don't go fast on the water.
What is he doing? Hey guys, that's it for today's video. Please like and subscribe. Oh shit, dude, this gas is low. Shit.
latte. Dude, that means there's a bear over there.
What?